Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Hornblower knot, another original one. Here, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put the tie at my left side at the belt line over here. So we're going to come over here, we're just going to put a dimple in there. I'm going to bring it over to the center. I'm going to bring it up and over like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it around like this, then I'm going to go over it like this, and then I'm going to come back underneath it like this, and then go down like this, right here, making this kind of a cone shape. So then what I want to do is I want to secure this a little bit better. So I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to come across like so, and I'm going to bring it back down like this. Then I'm going to fold it in half, I'm going to come around, and I'm going to come back down like so. Alright? Then I'm going to put my collar down and just kind of tuck that underneath there best I can. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. We're going to There we go, and again, hit the bell notification. We have new knots daily. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.